Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to Linda's Oishi Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you my favorite recipe to make chicken nanban. So, let's get started. Chicken nanban is a Japanese popular yoshoku dish. Fried chicken coated with the Nanban sauce and drizzled with Japanese-style tartar sauce. First, gather all the ingredients. Soak the onion in water for about 10 minutes. Then, drain and pat dry with paper towel. In a bowl, combine all ingredients for the sweet and sour sauce. Shoyu, Mirin, rice vinegar, sugar, cornstarch or potato starch. Mix well. In another bowl, combine all ingredients for the tartar sauce. Japanese mayonnaise, onion, sugar, rice vinegar, and shoyu. Mix well. Lightly sprinkle the chicken with salt and pepper. Then coat with flour. And beaten egg. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. When the pan is hot, add the chicken and cook until cooked through. Transfer the chicken to a plate. Wipe the excess oil in the frying pan with paper towel and turn off the heat. Put the chicken back to the frying pan and pour the sweet and sour sauce. Cook until the sauce is thickened. Transfer the chicken to a serving plate, drizzle with tartar sauce, and garnish with negi or green onion. Enjoy! Itadakimasu! Oishi! Tender bites of fried chicken coated in sweet and sour sauce, topped with a creamy tartar sauce. Chicken nanban is a well-loved dish in Japan. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe. Ja, mata ne. See you soon.